If you've lost access to your Outlook account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. Step 1. Visit the Outlook sign-in page. Go to the Outlook sign-in page and click on Forgot Password. This will direct you to the account recovery options. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Outlook account. Make sure to enter it correctly to ensure you receive the recovery options. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Select an alternative recovery method, such as using an email address linked to your account. If you have access to this email, choose it to receive a verification code. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your email for the verification code sent by Microsoft. Enter this code in a required field on the recovery page to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Outlook account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.